what's your name and what's your age?
Hi, I am Mayan and I'm 25 years old.
Hi, nice to meet you, me. And this is my questions, okay? What are the advantages of dating an older man?
Okay. The advantages of dating an older man is in a mature relationship or something like I can I can I can be a childish, you know, and they will also I think they will also understand you like being a baby, being something like overacting when you know. I think they also like that when the girl is too sweet, too clingy, mature man,
Okay. If it's Filipino, what is your age preferences
Of a
today?
of a mature man,
Oh yes.
older man. Preference maybe ahead of me like 2 to 3 or like something 2 years and above.
Okay. So if it's foreigner, okay, because foreigner is different, so like,
Okay.
right? So what is your age preferences?
Any.
Any? Any? As long as,
As long as basta
any as long as, okay.
he's okay, he's good, he's lovable, he's romantic.
Okay. Hi, what is your name and what is your age?
My name is Mary Joy Burgley and 19 years old.
19. Hi. Okay. What are the advantages of dating an older man?
Kuan, maturity.
Maturity and what else?
Mm.
Do you think they are more financial stable? Do you think they are more financial stable?
Yeah.
Yeah. If it's Filipino, what is your age preferences to date with? Like older age,
Um, Maybe 35.
35. How about if it's foreigner? What's your age preferences if it's foreigner?
45.
45. Okay. So if ever you meet a guy, like let's say 60 years old, and he's nice, great, very, very loving and supportive, would you consider to date him, even though he's 60 plus?
Hindi man kahit
No? Even though he's loving, caring? No? You will like that? So you stick your preferences with that?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi,
Hello.
what's your name and what's your age?
Hello, I'm Drea Delatari, 19 years old.
Okay, hi Mia. My question is, what are the advantages of dating an older man?
The advantages of dating the older man is
Mm.
kanang they are kanang matured enough to handle the relationship.
Yeah.
Then they are financial stable.
Yes.
Then the they mindset is more on kanang future goal oriented like kanang sa future.
Yeah, they'll think always in the future. So if
Mm.
it's a Filipino, what your age preferences?
If
If it's Filipino guy, what age you like to date? That's
um
older than you,
I think 20 plus
20 plus.
or it depends if kanang it's foreigner or
Yeah, if it's foreigner, what age do you prefer?
like 30 plus.
30 plus. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you met let's say late 50s to 60s, but very nice and very loving person, very supportive, would you consider yourself to
Yes.
them
Yes.
as long as
As long as kanang as long as they make me feel love then
it
um
needs love and secure?
yeah.
Yeah, that is very important. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, very important. Okay. Hi, what is your name and what is your age?
Hi, I am Julian Manton. I'm 18 years old.
How about you?
I'm Nina Marie. I'm 18 years old.
Oh, that's so nice. Okay, my question is, what are the advantages of dating an older man?
For me, you will grow more based on their maturity, and you will discover yourself more on how to take care of it.
How about you?
For me, it's financial stability.
That's all?
Yes.
Okay. What is your age preferences? For like Filipino first, what is your age preferences dating an older man? How old?
Probably 20 plus.
Not older than that.
Maybe? Might be.
How about you?
20 plus.
20 plus also.
Yeah.
So, how about if it's foreigner?
Maybe higher than 28.
Higher than. Higher than. Okay, what?
25, 25 plus.
Okay. For example, you met 60 plus foreigner, yeah, 60 years old or something like that. He's very caring and loving. Would you then consider yourself to date with him?
Of course, why not?
How about you?
Yes.
Hi, what is your name and what is your age?
My name is Eunice Nicole Barriga. I'm 18 years old.
Ay, you're so young. You look pretty.
Thank you so much.
Okay. What are the advantages of dating an older man?
For me, dating an older man is so blessing because some older men, if you have in a relationship like an older boy or an older man is kanang he he knows all kanang he knows some like for your future like
Okay.
kanang he he always think like kanang like he I no 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 he always support you and kanang
Always support you and
kanang um kanang dili na ko ma-explain kaante
they are
they kanang he give you an kanang assurance.
assurance. So very supportive and give you assurance. Okay. Uh, if it's Filipino, what is your age preferences for older than you? What is age preference?
For me like kanang how o kanang
No,
how old
how old?
um 25
25. If it's foreigner,
um maybe 20 27
27 like that. So if you meet a foreigner, let's say in his 60s, but he's very supportive and loving, and is willing to support you, would you consider to date him?
Yes, because my heart my heart is choosing him.
Okay.